Hey everybody, Stephanie Oliver here. I'm going to talk to you today specifically about large group coaching within a community. And really, one of the very first things that I think about when being a coach is being a great encourager. Actually, in life, be somebody that makes other people feel good. That's so important here, especially in advocate when people are changing their lifestyle. And so when I have people over, I'll usually do a Saturday or a Sunday, whether it's at my house or a team member's house, and we're going to put this challenge together. And what we do is we have them bring baggies, we have them bring Sharpie markers, and we go ahead and just have a prep party, basically, get all our products together. So I will, as we're bagging, I'll talk about that probiotic and how awesome they're going to feel with less belly bloat by day 2. I'm going to talk about how on day 4, they're going to be pooping like a champ without a bellyache because that fiber works so well. All these things to get them really excited. Also on that day, I'm talking about the grocery guide. What are the foods they can and cannot eat? Because we know how important the food is in this. We know that there are certain foods that you do not want to have on that cleanse to have the maximum results. So we want to talk about that. We want to talk about when to take the products. We want to talk about how important it is to drink a gallon of water. All these things that might seem small are the details that are going to get people the best success. So remember to be very specific about that manual and ensure that everyone has their questions answered and encourage them to ask questions. Most of the time, if it's in a group in a community, they know one another and they kind of have some sort of a relationship. Now at that meeting, I also like to have something scheduled for day 11, and I also like to have something scheduled for day 24. There's a few reasons behind that. Number 1, celebrate. Always celebrate their success. Number 2, on day 11, if they have not joined as a discount member, we're going to encourage them to do so. We know they're going to be moving forward. We know they love Spark. And now they're convinced that the products really do work. And so we're going to encourage them to become a discount member. And then on day 11, we're also talking about the changes that are coming up. And the carbs that we can add in now. So that's all really exciting stuff. But they are having behavioral changes. And what happens when your behavior changes? Other people take notice. If you have something on the books, people are more likely to invite. And so on top of encouraging those people and coaching them through the challenge, you're also inviting more people to see more. That's the same thing with day 25. Now on day 10, you got them signed up and ready for day 25 plus. Day 25 is here. More people have come along. More celebrating is going on. And more results are happening. So now, in between all of those days, I have social media groups. And in the social media group, we are encouraging, we are answering questions, we are posting questions, we are talking about results, we are shouting one another out. Shouting people out is so important. People love to be recognized. So be sure to be doing that, especially in those large groups. Post your before and afters and let people know how they can get in touch with you. So I hope that this has helped you guys kind of understand how I coach a large group within my community.